We're gonna put the A3, the AutoFly A3 on dyno today and see how much power it's producing. After already winning podium in Valley Run, if you haven't seen the video, please go check out our channel. But after winning podium, we have to see what's gone behind it and see how much it's making right now.
So today we're going to talk about the build, the power, and this is our new mic, and we're giving the CLA 45 AMG for service.
And for those of you who don't know us already, this is Gautam Heble and I'm Dhruv Shah and welcome to AutoFly. Now you may have already seen this car driven a lot on the road after it's been done with a lot of work. We had kept the Valley Run in mind, and as you know, we've done very well with the car. We had shot the whole making series of what all work we've done, but unfortunately due to technical difficulties, we lost the footage. We couldn't show it to y'all and we couldn't take y'all on the journey, but we are planning some more with this car. So that I'll keep it a secret right now, but what we're going to find out is how much power is this eventually producing with all the work that we've looked at. We've done quite a bit of work on this. We've changed the body, we've upgraded the kit, we've changed it to an RS3 kit. That'll be the front bumper, the rear diffuser, we've done the quad tips, we've done a catback setup for the exhaust, and it's sounding so good. It's sounding so good. The DSG farts, oh my god, I can't tell you, like, it just brings a smile on the face. And along with that, we've also done a stage 1 tune, and we're running quantum tuning, and we've done most of this work. And a shout out to Redline Auto House, so a huge shout out to their work and phenomenal work. The car is doing very well, and we've done the exhaust setup from Automech, so they've done a fabulous job too. Although I do think that the exhaust might be droning somewhere. I might be wrong, but again, I might try to solve this issue. So let's see how that goes. But currently we're going to put it on the dyno, see how much power this is producing, and I'm so excited to see what the figures are. At stock, this car is producing 150 HP and 250 Newton meters of torque. It is running a DQ200 and it's a 1.4 liter engine. So although it's not the best engine out there, but it's surely packing a punch in how much power it's producing. So I'm excited to see what it'll do, and more coming up soon for you all. We've got the car set up on the dyno now. Now since this car has not been dynoed before, they're just taking a few reads before it actually starts. We've got it clipped on and I'm really excited, but I won't go too far ahead of myself. I know it's a 1.4 liter engine at the end of the day, so I'm expecting gains around probably 10% gains, but only figures will tell now. We've just pulled the results in. Now the results as what I expected. It's a 10% bump roughly. So if you see the chart below, it's showing about 165 at crank and it's showing 310 Newton meters of torque. So I was expecting around 300, which is great, but ideally at the end of it, I think it's a lot that I'm pushing out of this car and I want to do a little more. But I do feel the driving style, if you look at the curve carefully, it is giving a good surge, and at the instant in the start it's giving me the massive torque push, which I do feel while driving. So all in all, I think the quantum tune is working out really great, but I do see a little drop in power at around the 5000 RPM at the end before my gear shifts, which I felt it even while driving it at Valley Run. So I am going to try and correct it. I'm not sure how, but maybe with the second stage tune, or I'm going to try to find out how I will refine it, but I'll keep you all up to date. Unfortunately, I have realized that there is an issue with my clutch, so I'll have to consider changing it. But this is not it for the car. I am going to keep pushing power as much as I can, and I'm going to take it up to the next level. So I can't wait to see how much it can further push and see how better it performs at the next value.